someone thinks to give us codes.
Just chill out, man. We're safe. No one knows we're down here. It's a secret base, right?
What about Batman? Or that kid he hangs out with?
They're keeping a low profile since he killed Jay.
Come on, Batman didn't kill Joker. That crap he injected himself with at the asylum killed him. Knew somebody looked like him.
Not how I heard it.
Then you heard wrong.
Well, I heard it from Harley. She should know. She was there.
No, she wasn't. I was outside the theater with her. Batman just came out carrying Jay.
Really?
The thing I don't get is Clayface. How did Joker pull that switcheroo on the Bat?
I guess sometimes you don't see what's right under your nose.
I just had a thought. What if it was Clayface that Batman carried out?
Now you're just embarrassing yourself. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Think this is TV or something?
Oh, but two Jokers ain't? Think what you like, man. I think there's more going on here than we know. I can feel it.
Break it back!
Don't cry, pig. You're still alive, aren't you? Now, don't get me wrong. I can't guarantee you'll stay that way. I mean, look around. If I don't kill you, one of my friends up there will. Go on, take a look. See the sniper rifles? Real nasty. I hear they can...
Huh? Get over and find out who's screaming!
Tied up here, Batman. Please get me out of this thing.
You're safe.
I don't think so, Bat Brain. It's dead cop time! Does it hurt? Too bad. Come on, boys.
What's it doing?
Hurry up, idiots!
Come on. Don't piss off Harley.
Tim, what's going on? Have you found him?
Kinda.
What does that mean?
Don't worry, I think I'm close. I'll let you know.
Minutes with the bat. That's all I need. Payback for Joker.
He's just up there, right? What's stopping you?
Nothing, I guess.
Then do it. March in that room, climb up and teach Batman a lesson. We'll watch.
Hey, I'll help you get up there.
No, I can wait. Harley's got a plan. Don't want to get in the way, do I?
Is it hard being a little chicken?
I'm not chicken. I'm just doing what I'm told.
Yeah, right.
Look out! Robin! This'll be easy, freak. We're gonna rip you apart, Robin!
I found him.
Thank God. Is he okay?
Quinn's got him trapped.
We'll get him out of it.
Harley's built some kind of monument to the Joker, and it's stopping me from getting to Batman. Looking at this place, she's crazier than we thought. I'm gonna search the area and try to work out how to save him. Damn it. He's trapped in that thing. Looks like he's entered some sort of meditative state. I don't have much time. He's running out of air. The security panel appears to control the statue. Batman will die in there if I don't find the key. I guess I should go find Harley Quinn and ask her for it.
Can you hear me down there, bird boy? How does it feel? Do you think he knows he's gonna die? I hope so. I want him to know how my Joker felt. That's why I get to watch it happen from my secret room. You'll never find us. You don't even know that there's a shipyard here, do you?
Harley, I think you may have told him.
You should ignore what I said. I was joking. Yeah, that's it. Bye!
Found anything?
Nah, it's just full of crap. Like the rest of this place.
Keep looking. There must be something here. We need money, man. It's the only way we're gonna get out of this crazy town.
Think by the time you're searching through a bunch of random crates for a solution, you've pretty much run out of options. We're screwed.
Don't give up. We'll find something. Maybe a weapon we can sell, or some supervillain secret stash. It happens, don't it?
No, not to us. We're gonna die in here. If it ain't Harley losing it and sticking a gun to our heads, it'll be some other freak.
I don't care how you do it, just don't let me down. Mr. J wouldn't like it if you failed me, would he? No, he'd be very upset. He'd probably kill you all. Or break your legs, or glue your eyes open, or make you eat a grenade. Oh, who am I kidding? He'd do something much better. He was Mr. J, right? He always knew what to do. I'm just here, alone, relying on you idiots. So don't fail me! Get this idiot off of me!
Really?
No! That's mine! Let me go!
Whatever you say.
Get me down, bird brain! I feel dizzy.
Hope you hurt those guys real bad. I heard Quinn talking about Batman being dead. It's not true, right?
Still no news here at Arkham City. There are sketchy reports that Robin was seen entering the site only a few hours ago. At this time, we cannot confirm it is true. But if it is, what does this mean for Batman?